Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a classic move called the shoulder drop. There's not really a prerequisite for this one, so as long as you've got a bit of modern jive experience behind you and you're ready for intermediate moves, you're going to be good for this. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's break it down. Starts off from a right-handed return. We go back, we return the lady. As she's coming around, guys, we turn under that right arm. We bring the hand over our head, down onto our right shoulder. We extend the right arm out, and we don't do it straight out because that would pull the lady sideways, so it's got to be angled slightly back. So we're taking the lady over and turning her a little bit, but we're not actually trying to take her off the spot. Now from here, guys, we come back, the hand goes onto the shoulder, but we literally drop it and head forwards. It slides down the back and we re-catch it behind. Moving to the left, we walk the lady forwards on the right hand side into a return spin and catch. Let's do that again, and from this side this time, and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back 1, return 2, on the shoulder 3, out 4, drop 5, lean 6, walk 7, spin 8, and catch 1. So now we're ready. Let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, a shoulder, drop, you go a back, round on the shoulder, out, drop, lean to the side, spin, and catch. And that's it. Hope you have fun with that. There are a number of more complicated versions of the shoulder drop. That's just the basic one. And if you have any questions or comments, do leave them in the comment section below. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice the move to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.